Hello, Brady Theodore here on YouTube. Hey, today I want to give a couple tips and tricks on Facebook or about Facebook. If you are an online marketer or offline marketer, if you own a business, you're probably using Facebook. Now, I am not the Facebook guru, but I have been doing this for a couple of years. So I know a couple tips and tricks that I'm sure you don't know, because I know that I didn't know these when I started. So I want to help you guys out. So anyway, before I get started and show you what I'm going to show you, I would like you to go below, subscribe to my channel, and touch that little bell and be notified about the next time that I come back on. Now, I didn't show you my background, which is the Gotti of marketing. That's me, Gotti, the Gotti of marketing. Cute, eh? Anyway, let's get started. Let's dive right into this little baby here of Facebook. I'm going to show you a couple little tricks. I'm going to share my screen. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I see what I'm doing. And I'm going to bring up my timeline. Excuse me. First thing you want to do when you start your Facebook account, if you want to be taken seriously, put a picture of yourself up here. Just a nice, clean picture of yourself. No cats and dogs, no kids, no husbands and wives, just you. That's it. People want to know you. If they want to know more about you in your life, that will be throughout your timeline. Put your background picture up here. You can use Canva just go to Google, type in Canva. It'll come up. It's a free account. You can get in there and make little Facebook backdrops. Really easy to learn how to use. Make something cute, or at least find a nice little picture, and make sure that it fits in here nice, and you can adjust that in the back of Facebook. Anyway, once you get that started and you got your Facebook page going, one of the first things that you want to do, you're going to be running a business at all, is go to your settings. Now, I did not know this when I first started, and I did a lot of things wrong. Heck, I've had 2 Facebook accounts closed down. One had 2,500 friends and 500 followers. That got closed down on me last year. I'm still rebuilding. Anyway, come down here to your settings. Go over here to your privacy, your activity, right here. Who can see your future posts? Make sure this is set on public. You want people to see your posts. If people can't see your posts, they're not going to know who you are or what you do or anything about you. So you want this to be public. Review all your posts and things you're tagged in. We're going to get into that because that's down a little bit lower. And it says use activity log, but I'll show you down here how to change that. Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends and blah, blah, blah. No, I don't put any limits on it. How people find and contact you. You want everyone to find you, so make sure that's set on everyone. Also down in here, there's an area where you can put a follow button on your page. And if people don't want to be friends with you, and that's fine, you don't have to be friends with everybody, but you want to be followed, so you can put a follow button on your page and people just click on it. Now they're following you. If you're putting out great content, you want to be followed. Who can see your friends list? This is the one that I really wanted to show you. Who can see your friends list? Only me. You do not want everybody and their brother to go to your Facebook page and see who you're friends with. If you've got 5,000 friends and a couple thousand followers, and they're all there because they like you, you don't want other people come in there and stealing them from you. Put only me. That way, when people go to your timeline and they look, they won't be able to see who you're friends with. Now, if I clicked on mine, since I'm logged in, you're going to see all my friends. I'm not going to do that. If you go to my timeline now, you won't see my friends list. And that's the way you want yours set. Another important one down here, we're talking about tagging. Here's a mobile number. Well, we'll go through this. Who can look you up by email address? I just have friends of friends. I send my email out to people that I want to have it. Although I am all over social media, if somebody wants to connect with me or contact me, they're going to do it through any platform. Excuse me again. Who can look using your phone number? Friends only. I don't want everybody to have my phone number. I give my phone number out to friends only. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Yes. Yes, yes. If somebody happens to see your name somewhere, they go to Google and type it in, I want them to see my Facebook and come back to me. Very important. Public posts, only you see your friends. Made public on Google, yes. Timeline and tagging, the other important one. Who can post on your timeline? Only me. Only you can post to your timeline. Who can see what others post in your timeline? Well, I can have that set on everyone because down here in tagging, down here, it says review. Review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your timeline. I've got it turned on. I get an alert every time somebody tags me in one of their posts. I get to see the post first, and I will decide if I want that on my timeline or not. You don't know what yeehaw out there is going to make some meme that has nothing to do with you or is derogatory or not in a good, tasteful manner. You don't want it just shown up in your timeline for everybody to see. So you want to be able to see that first, then you decide if you want to have it on your timeline or not. And this down here, review tags people add to your posts. I want to review any tags that people add to my posts also. I don't want tags of tags. I don't want anything going on behind my back. I want to see what is going on. Anyway, those are my short little tips for today on the back of Facebook. If you're just starting out on Facebook, get in here, get into your settings down there, your general settings. Go right down the list, every one of these, and you decide what you want. But those are the very important ones. They've got so much back here. Your Facebook information, your privacy, your timeline and tagging, locations. You can block people. If you get badgers that just keep coming back and trying to get at you, grab their name, put it in here, and block them. I've got a list going. People I don't want to have anything to do with. Notifications, mobile numbers, public posts, apps and websites, instant games, business integrations, ads, payments. If you're going to start running Facebook ads, you're going to eventually have to put your credit card in, supported inbox, and videos. Anyway, go through the whole list of back here. Start figuring it out. Set your Facebook up, your account the way you want it done. Don't just have it wide open, hilly-nilly for everybody and their brother to see and everybody and their brother tag you and post on your page. You don't want it. So anyway, I'm going to stop my share. I'm going to come back to you, pull my old glasses off and say, thank you very much for joining me. I hope this helps you getting started out. Come back again. Subscribe to my channel. Touch that bell. Be notified. Watch for some more tips and tricks as I come out with them. Again, I am not the social media guru. I'm 60 plus years old. I've been doing this a couple of years. I didn't even want to be on social media before, but I'm telling you what, if you want to run a business, you want to earn an income, get on social media, learn how to do it correctly, and you'll start earning money online. Anyway, come back and see the Gotti of Marketing. I hope you got some value out of this. And if you did, maybe give me a little thumbs up down there in the column for me. Put a nice little comment. Go to Facebook, look me up, send me a friend request, and if you follow my directions, I'll probably connect with you. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you all real soon. See you all later.